Hello, welcome to this is 3D Physics, Unit 1, it's Lesson 4. I'm working on question number 3. And with these vector word problems, it's important to draw your vectors so you can translate them into an algebraic equation. So, plane is steering on a heading of north 30 degrees east. So first thing we need to do, we need to give ourselves a picture so that we can make that conversion into algebraic vectors. So it says a plane is steering, so that means that's the way the plane is pointed. I'm going to call that my p vector. That's the plane's direction, north, 30 degrees east. So that's going to be right here, and it's at 500 kilometers an hour. Now, before we go any further, algebraically we need to use the angle with the x-axis. So I'm actually going to use 60 degrees, and I'm going to cross out that 30 so I don't get confused. Because you always, with the algebraic process, use the angle with the x-axis. Next, the wind is out of the east. If it's out of the east, that means that it's coming toward you. If you're standing at the origin, it's blowing in your face. We don't want to draw the vector's head at the origin, so I'm going to slide that vector so that it's over here, and it is 100 kilometers an hour. And I'll call that my W vector, that's my wind. Here's the resultant. Well, similar to lessons 2 and 3, the resultant will be the plane's velocity plus the wind velocity. So we can set up our stacked addition. Plane plus wind is equal to resultant. So my plane, I'm going to call it 500. It's positive in the east, so it's positive x component, positive y, cos 60i plus 500 sine 60j. The wind, it has a negative x component, so it'll be negative 100. You can do cos 0, but it's going to be just negative 100i plus 0j. You can use the angle zeros in there and give you the same solution. Now we need to do the addition here to figure out what my resultant will be. So we plug it in, 500 cos 60, and then we're going to add negative 100. So I end up with 150 I plus 500 sine 60, 433j. Now I'm in that mode where I'm just going to find my magnitude of my resultant, which is the same every time, x component squared plus y component squared. And when I plug that into the calculator, so 150 squared plus the 433 squared, I get 458 kilometers an hour. My angle is tan inverse 433, the y component over my x component. So shift tan of 433 divided by 150, and I get, let's call it 71 degrees. So therefore, the resultant for this plane is 458 kilometers an hour, and it's heading, again, we have a positive x component, which means east, positive y component, which means north. So we have east, 71 degrees north. Again, when you look at the answer, it's given as north 19 east. If we were to write the complement to that, so we flip it around and read it from the east, 90 take away 19 would give us 71 north. So it turns out to be the same direction. They're just referencing a different axis. If you have any questions with that or follow-ups, let me know, and I will do my best to help you out.